Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure your Thermomix TM31 is unplugged before starting the process. First, we will remove the panel. Locate the screws at the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel away from the unit. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. Next, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use the soft cloth to wipe down any dust or debris inside the Thermomix. This step is crucial for maintaining the performance of your machine. Now, let's focus on the blade. The blade can sometimes be difficult to remove. Start by unscrewing the central screw that holds the blade in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. It's essential to apply even pressure to avoid stripping the screw head. Once the central screw is removed, you can gently lift the blade out. Be cautious, as the blade is sharp. If you find it challenging to remove, ensure that there are no other fasteners securing it. If you're uncertain about any steps, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you. After removing the blade, inspect it for any signs of damage or wear. If the blade is dull or damaged, it's best to replace it with a new one for optimal performance. When installing the new blade, align it properly in the compartment before securing it with the central screw. Make sure the blade is seated correctly to avoid any future issues. With the new blade in place, it's time to reattach the panel. Position the panel back onto the Thermomix and align it with the screw holes. Insert and tighten the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are secure but not overly tight, as this could damage the panel. If you don't have the tools or time to perform this maintenance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service is convenient, as it eliminates the hassle of calls and travel. Finally, once everything is reassembled, plug your Thermomix TM31 back in and conduct a test run. Check that the blade spins freely and that there are no unusual sounds. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to assist you with any concerns you may have. Following these steps will ensure your Thermomix TM31 is in excellent working condition, ready for your next culinary adventure. Happy cooking! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.